How to blur parts of video on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. You can use any other apps. I'm using CapCut here because it's very helpful and very easy. So what you need to do is you want to tap on new project and select any of the video. So now you can scroll and put it to the mark where you want to split and select the video, or you can even not select the video and do it. So what you need to do here is you want to unselect the part of the video, and then you want to tap on effect that is on the bottom. And after you do that, you will see this screen. And now what you need to do is you want to scroll down and search for the blur effect that you can use it. After you're done selecting, tap on the tick mark that is on the top right corner of pop-up, and then now you can move the blur here and there just by tapping and holding on to the effect and scrolling sideways. And that is how you can put blur parts on videos on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.